Hey guys, and welcome back to Beeskitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I am going to show you guys how to make these delicious crispy golden calamari. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my squid, which I'll be using to make the calamari. And when I purchased the squid from my local fish market, it was frozen, which I left it to defrost. I have corn flour, egg, black pepper, white pepper, smoked paprika, garlic salt, onion salt, and mixed herbs. As always, I will list all the ingredients in the description box below. I am firstly going to season the squid. Next, I will add the egg and some of the corn flour. As I've added the egg and the corn flour, I'm just mixing everything together to ensure that the squid is nicely coated in the eggs, seasoning, and also the corn flour. Next, I'll set this aside for later use. I am now going to season the rest of the corn flour with the same seasonings which I used to season the squid. Next, I'll mix everything together. I'm going to use my deep fryer to fry the calamari, so I'm bringing my oil to heat. I am now going to add the squid to the seasoned corn flour to create the second coating before frying, and I'm going to do this stage in batches. I don't want to add all my squid to the corn flour. This is just to ensure that the squid will be nicely coated in the corn flour. As the oil has come to heat, I'm just going to fry the squid until golden and crispy. As you can see, the calamari rings is ready. It's nice and golden, so I'm just going to remove and set this aside. I'm going to repeat the steps by coating the squid in the corn flour and deep frying, and I'll do this until I have finished frying all my squid. And guys, the calamari is ready. It is golden, it is crispy, and it's delicious. If you are having a dinner party and you want to impress your guests, you can serve this as a starter and they will absolutely enjoy it. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and click that notification bell. Enjoy your calamari, and I'll see you next time. Bye.